You're done for warning.
Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Randolph-Macon College around 3:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Ashland around 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Kings Dominion and Darwin around 3:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Gilman, Oliver, Burrs Corner, Gumtree, Goswell, Elmont, and Short Pump. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All-Hazard Severe Thunderstorm Warning for northwestern Charles County in southern Maryland, Stafford County in northern Virginia, the city of Fredericksburg in central Virginia, southwestern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, southeastern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, eastern Culpeper County in northern Virginia, the city of Manassas Park in northern Virginia, Prince William County in northern Virginia, the city of Manassas in northern Virginia, northeastern Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fredericksburg, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Stafford, Centerville, Dale City, Fredericksburg, Fort Belvoir, Woodbridge, Quantico, Aquia Creek, Lake Ridge, Burke, Chantilly, Montclair, Lorton, Newington, Triangle, Dumfries, Spotsylvania, Manassas, Cherry Hill, and Manassas Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for
unrecognized statement on my 12991.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for urban areas and small
I've never gotten that before. Unrecognized statement on my 12991.
Central Orange County in central Virginia, western Madison County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Page County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia, southeastern Rockingham County in western Virginia, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:46 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain. Flooding is already occurring in the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain has fallen. Some locations that may experience flooding include Shenandoah, Stanley, Stanleysville, Big Meadows, Elston, Ruckersville, Fletcher, McMullen, Lydia, Hood, Jolly, Gravesville, Wolftown, Swift Run, Hannahtown, Pine Grove, Amicus, Quinqui, St. George, Burtonville. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. The flood watch continues for the rest. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. There is no flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The park in Fredericksburg can no longer be accessed by car due to flooding. This is a statement from the National. Creek near Martinsburg from late tonight to Saturday morning. At 12:30 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 4.0.
This was supposed to be towed eternity ago.
Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast.
And also, this went off for an unrecognized warning on the
expected to
first
rise above flood stage late tonight to a crest of 12.1 feet tomorrow evening. It will then fall below flood stage early Saturday morning.
This is going to be a double header. There's a special warning after this one.
Flood waters begin to cover Douglas Grove Road County Road 916 east of Martinsburg. A portion of Bowers Road is also flooded. Low-lying areas near the creek begin to flood. Water also begins to cover the stream access point at the Van Meter Ford pedestrian bridge. Impact at 11.0 feet. Water begins to cover backyards of homes on Bowers Road County Road 1/1. Douglas Grove Road County Road 916 is flooded and impassable. Water also approaches Golf Course Road County Road 36 and Grapevine Road County Road 9/14. Impact at 12.5 feet. The creek is well out of its banks with lowlands nearby flooded. Golf Course Road, Ford County Road 36/ is flooded near the Van Meter Ford pedestrian bridge. Fields and backyards near the creek are flooded and some residents may need to move items to higher ground. Several other roads are flooded, including Grapevine Road, Douglas Grove Road, and Tins Ford Road. Backwater flooding is occurring on small tributaries, including Tuscarora Creek. Flood history. This crest compares to the previous crest of 12.1 feet on January 1st, 1970, 45 knots. Hazard.
Alright, now here there's a marine warning on KHP.
Possible. Source. Radar indicated. Impact. Voters could easily be thrown overboard. Until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 7 nautical miles northwest of Quantico, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and waterspouts possible. Source, radar indicated. Impact, voters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Quantico, Whitewater, Gunston Hall, Mason Neck State Park, Indian Head, Algonquin Bay, and Leesylvania State Park. New showers will be near. Times till around 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is a statement from the National
So yeah,
Weather
that flood warning was supposed to be
for the
towed
following
like
counties. In Virginia,
eternity ago.
Central Virginia, Blue Ridge, Northern. Until 10:45 p.m. Thursday. Until 10:45 p.m. Thursday. Doppler radar at 4:33 p.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the Warren area. Some locations that may experience flooding include Front Royal, Sperryville, Linwood, Chester Gap, Brook Hill, Washington, Huntley, Argyle, Glencoe, Browntown, Markham, Howellsville, Blue Mountain, Four-Way, Fine Forks, Paris. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. And now a special weather statement from your National Weather Service.
So there's a flood warning on KHP 36. Let's see if I was fast enough to it.
Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain
Let's also
have fallen.
get W252.
Some locations that may experience flooding include Orange, Madison, Gordonsville, Brentwood, Wyoming Mills, Madison Mills, Aurora, McFord, Montpelier Station, Lucas, Dale, Oak Park, Old Summit, Rochelle, Hamilton, Madison Run, Rapido, Forbesville, Shelby, Leon. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Most flood current vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. This is a statement from the National Weather Service.
Not sure why it's so staticky on here, but it is.